Ontario, Canada, February 7, 2025. On Thursday night, a change in wind direction is likely to trigger several narrow bands of heavy snow that will sweep across southern Ontario before becoming more organized over Lake Huron and Georgian Bay. While these bands won't last long, most areas will only see snow for 15 to 30 minutes, they can still create hazardous driving conditions. Strong wind gusts of 70 to 80 km per hour will cause snow to fly around, significantly reducing visibility on roads.
Probably get out there. Yeah, you probably get out there.
However, for areas within the snow belt, which has been hit by severe storms in recent weeks, this could be a significant snowfall event. Parts of Grey Bruce and Simcoe counties could see 15 to 25 centimeters of snow in the hardest hit communities by the end of Friday. A more organized storm is likely to form Friday morning, targeting the Bruce Peninsula and extending into Simcoe County. This narrow but strong band is likely to persist throughout the day, although it may shift slightly as winds fluctuate.
There's an oncoming car. Figure out what the back side of the road is. You got thick banks on both sides. At least keep you but.
Current model data suggests the heaviest snow will remain concentrated in the Wyerton-Owen Sound corridor in Grey Bruce and between Orillia and Barrie in Simcoe County. At times, the storm could extend further inland, bringing periods of heavy snow to parts of the Kawartha Lakes, Durham and Peterborough in the morning and afternoon.
Picking the exact wrong time to
A change in wind direction will bring a few hours of heavy snow to parts of southern Muskoka, including MacTier, Port Carling, Bala, Gravenhurst and Bracebridge, on Friday night. However, the storm is expected to weaken shortly after midnight as the winds ease. The city of Barrie is expected to escape the worst of the snowfall, but if the snowstorm eases a little further south for a few hours, the city could still see between 10 to 15 cm of snowfall. For the rest of the Grey Bruce region, including Owen Sound, Hanover and Collingwood, as well as Muskoka, Kawartha Lakes and Peterborough, snow totals will generally range from 5 to 10 centimeters, although some pockets may receive up to 15 centimeters. Looked like it would bring the strongest winter storm of the season to southern Ontario. However, current model data now suggests that much of the system's moisture may remain south of the border, and shift into the northeastern U.S.